Hello family, welcome back. Hey, welcome back family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber. On this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. We'd love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it, honey. This is a roundup of my August tray, my favorites, my top 5 picks from my fragrance tray. Those that know we do fragrance trays around here each and every month. It will probably be the next video you see since we're going into the month of September. However, I like to do like a little roundup at the end of what were the top 5 choices on that tray that I was rocking and rolling with, had a great experience with, just to give you all the things, okay? So let's get into it, shall we? Let's. So first off, interesting pick, maybe not interesting to some, but an interesting pick to me, but that worked in the summer, which was Killian, okay? Apple Brandy, and this is on the rocks, okay? So this is your pineapple fragrance. When I say this was really refreshing, and I know that's really like, sis, it should be boozy. No, honestly, to me for the summer, it was really refreshing to where I enjoyed the pineapple, but I also enjoyed that it gave this almost like, I don't want to say hard on the wood, but almost like a soft wood. I'm trying to think like a soft wood, like almost like a soft sandalwood. You know how sandalwood does? Like a soft sandalwood pineapple type of fragrance. So that's where it sat fresh to me, in my opinion, in my experience. Ooh, so good. Okay. Now I did not get many compliments with this. Now I will say this gives me unisex. So my brothers out there, I know that there's not a lot of times where I talk about men fragrances because not a man. But there are more times where I speak on feminine fragrances. However, I would say this is very unisex, so you could get with this. And I think it just sits so well. It gives me like white linen. I did not wear white linen with these. But picture, it just gives me like a white linen, kind of that fresh, but like classy look. It gives me like very much beach white linen. I can't explain it, like an all white party. Like this would be great for an all white party. Loved it, enjoyed it, highly recommend. But I would say this is not a this is not you like, sis, what was that? I don't know. It just comes out. Go with it. But this is not a blind buy. I'm not. This is not a blind buy. I would absolutely test this before purchasing because this is not going to be everybody's jam. This is not the little frou frou la la. As AI says, the frou frou la la. This is not her. She ain't frou frou and a la la nothing. Okay? AI the Great says that. So, you know, because sometimes I talk really fast and sometimes y'all are like, oh, what did she say? Allow me to be me. AI the Great always uses the word frou frou la la for like really pretty girl scents. So if you don't know her, I don't know how you don't know her in the fragrance world, but whatever floats your boat. Anyway, this is very much not that, right? But this gives me very put together, classy linen type of vibes. Absolutely perfect. I enjoyed it. Again, didn't get compliments, but she was still good and good to me. Okay, moving on. Next up, a good one that was really good with pairing. Oh my goodness, it's good for your pockets. It's good and it's located at Target. All right, so we're talking about the Finery fragrances, and this is the new Rouge. Now let me say, she's been peeking her head because I've been seeing her on the Instagram. I have been seeing her. Okay, I've been seeing people like pair her a lot. So if you love, I would say, Ariana Cloud, a good baccarat vibe, a good kind of cotton candy type of sitting fragrance, like marshmallow, that type of fragrance with saffron, this is good. She is good. Amazing. Highly recommend. it gives you, again, like Ariana Cloud vibes. And now I would say this is like Ariana Intense Cloud, but so good. Great with pairing, great just sitting alone, great easy reach, great like easy grab go, and the price is pricing. So I love it all day. She was good. I have actually I have a lot of Finery fragrances. We've talked about Finery before, but I do have a lot of them. But this one, you can pair her in the daytime and she can go in night. Now you will have to re-up on her. So if you're taking her with you or you're decanting her, she will have to go with you because she does not last long, right? I would give it about like 3, maybe pushing 4 hours, but 4 hours is like close to my nose. But anyway, this you would definitely have to re-up on. But is it good? Yeah, that's why it's coming to the channel. Moving on. Next up, I have talked about her a time or 2 or 20, and that's why I actually was like, you know what? I'm going to peek her through on the top 5 because she was a part of my top 5, but I'm going to talk about another fragrance. But I have to give it to Lalique. I like this pink Magnolia. Did you all get this? It's so pretty. It is so pretty, girl. Pretty floral. Not too much, very modern day, very pretty girl put together, just smelling so good and so fresh and so all the things. I mean, you would go to a Barbie party with her. Like, she is so pretty. You would go to like a day party. I mean, awesome. Like church scent, if you're looking for something really, beautiful and fresh and not overpowering, very good fragrance. We've talked about her, I think last month she was on my top, but I already talked about this one of my obsession video. Mon Petit. Okay, this is the Eau de Parfum YSL. Amazing. All the compliments, all the things. And when I tell you pink and pretty and fresh and gives you like, these are different vibes, different vibes. This is definitely leaning more on the soapy type of things. And this is like on the floral, white floral, but very, very cutesy white floral. But this is very much a soapy. I get soapy, but it's not off-putting. I know that there are some like soapy fragrances that you're like, that smells cheap. No ma'am, no Pam. Like, I got all the compliments in the world. Like, she was amazing. Okay, so pull her out because I know you got her. Pull her out. Put her on the tray for September. Or if you worn her lately, let the people know. Let the family know in the comments because she is good. Uber gut. Okay, moving on. Next up, I have a fragrance that, honey, we talked about this before. Being influenced, to me, it don't take much. It do not take much. If you say pear, if you say vanilla, if you say gourmand, cookie, pie, cakes, candy, and all the things, it don't take much. It don't take much to dip in my pockets. Like, I'm her. Do I need to talk to somebody? Let me know. Like, is it just a me thing? Because if it's just a me thing, cool. I'm cool with sitting on that hill alone. But I know some of y'all are out there. But I am easily influenced, right? You say it's good and I trust you. I'm like, oh yeah, I need that. And if you say it's bad, and I trust you, I'm like, travel size. Travel size. I don't know if I'm not gonna get it, but I'm like, travel size. So that's how I flow. Meet your sis. But my lovely, lavishly Chi sister, love her, all the things. She did this. She did this. Okay. But I'm forever grateful. I am forever grateful. This is Burberry. This is the Eau de Toilette. And what does it have in it? Oh, it's pear. Yeah. You said it. Pear. This is so good, and she never lied. So go to her channel and look at the review of all the things that she said about this. It's the truth. It's so good. And it works in this season. Like, I don't think I can carry this, in the deeper of the falls, maybe early fall, but deeper in the fall, when we get into the winter, I think we put her up. She is sick of us, okay? She is sick of us. But right now, she is still sick of me. She is still sick of me because I was wearing her a lot. So don't be sick. Don't talk about us like that, okay? And you all know, look, I'm getting y'all like, that ain't nothing. Hello? Don't rain on my parade. Keep that to yourself. But Burberry, her eau de toilette, so good. If you're looking for a fruity, fresh, very vibrant type of fragrance with the fruitiness, it is amazing. Get it, and get it. And even if you don't get it, just smell it. You don't have to get anything that I talk about, okay? That's your pocket. But I would say at least smell it. Get your nose on it for free. While you're out and about, do some nose shopping. We do some, shopping and window shopping and this type of shopping. Do some nose shopping. It's a thing. Go out, do some nose shopping, and have your nose or scent orgasm and get your life, okay? And if they got this, go ahead and trickle on down to the Burberry. If you offer the niche cloud, okay, trickle on down to Burberry her and get you the toilet and put it in your nose. I mean, don't put it in your nose, but smell it. Y'all know what I was saying, all right? Moving on. And last but certainly not least, oh my goodness, I am really babysitting her. I am. So Kayali, this is the Eden Sparkling Leche. Whatever, girl. You know what this is. So good. Divine. Oh, I mean, what do you say? What do you say? This is like a drink. This is a fruity drink. This is a cocktail. This is what you want to, but don't drink it. But it's what you want to drink. Be an adult. Okay? When I say something, don't think I'm saying spray this in your mouth and drink it. Be grown. Okay? Be grown in these streets. But anyway, this is so good. Do you have this? Pull it out. Pull it out and just smell it. Okay? Go upstairs or go downstairs or wherever your fragrance is. Just do one of those. Does it give you does it do something? Nothing? Okay. Petty. But this is so good. I mean, that's what it does to me. So good. I absolutely love this fragrance. I have been babysitting this. Yeah, maybe I should stop. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Just put in the comment section. That's fine. I just wear my fragrance. I'm gonna try. Maybe next month. She might not. I'm gonna try. But so good, delicious, yummy, all the things. Now, what I would love this to do more, and Mona, I know you're not looking at my channel. Hey girl, hey. But if somebody talked about me in passing, they probably didn't. But it's okay. If you happen to stumble, you probably won't. Anyway, a suggestion. It doesn't matter. Throw it out in the world. Can we get an intense of this? For it to last a little bit longer. That's the only thing I would say about this. I would love for this to last a little bit longer. That's all, give me a little 6-7 hours, give me at least, walking out the house a little bit, This definitely sits close to skin. Even when you overspray on top of the overspray, right? It doesn't last. So if we can get an intense version, that would be so good. But that's just my comment. Poll, do your beautiful campaign and marketing things that you do and poll the world, just don't go on me. But I mean, if you were listening to me, if we could get an intense, that would be so good, girl. I would love that for us. Okay. Well, that's all, family. That is all. We're gonna keep it really cute, simple. Do I have any random thoughts? I could talk. I could talk. What you want to know? Comment down below, okay? I will be changing up the name, so thank you lavishly Chi for the name suggestion. I will be changing up my name because I got thoughts. Y'all have thoughts too, but I just like to share my thoughts. But let me know in the comment section, are there any random thoughts or things that you have thought about and you're wanting my opinion on them? Give them up, okay? Because I certainly have one. You do too. But I'm going to share mine. But any random thoughts today? I need for the people. Okay, it came to me. I need for the people in the court that if you work in corporate America, this is for you. Okay, but if you don't work at corporate America, if you have your own business and all the things, you might be able to, if you use email. If you use email, this would be a good one. I need you to, when you get the email, read the email in completion. You know, it's nothing like you just reading the first paragraph and thinking, you know the entire layout of the email, and then you're asking me 10 questions, which was said in the email. So I just need people to, like, as simple, read the email in full, shocker, shock out of me. Please read it, see if there is even a second page, right? And then come to the table with your questions and thoughts, right? Because sometimes we skim. Stop skimming, okay? Don't skim in a contract that you signed. Don't skim in it. Just stop skimming. Because the skimming, you might get scammed for skimming. Stop stop just overviewing. Oh, I know. And then coming with me with some 10 questions. No. I need you to read in full, gain understanding from what you read. Like, how we teach our kids. Well, we might not teach the kids, but the teachers teach the kids. That's what I was trying to say. But you might teach the kids because you might be a stay-at-home mom. Congratulations. If that's what you do, honey, if you are a stay-at-home mama teacher, congratulations. Bravo. That's almost like when people don't get the epidural, like there is a club. And you're out there, right? People that don't get, like, you're pregnant and you don't get epidural while you're, having your baby. There is a strong woman club. It's called Strong Woman Club. Look it up. I bet you find it. Strong Woman Club for non-epidural. Natural, right? You have the baby natural. I don't want no parts of that club, nor do I want to be signed up for that club. But I want to support, like, I am your cheerleader on this other side. No. But I don't know how I went to epidural okay, just wrap it up, girl. Okay. Comment down below if there are random things that you want me to talk about, or you have an opinion, or did I see, or do I need to see, and you want my thoughts. Let me know. Because that's how we do. We go from one concept to the other. It's just how the mind works. But all that to say, read your email. That's all I want to say. I don't know how I got to epidural, and then play back and see how that even happened. And let me know in the comment section, how did that even go? Whew. Pray for me. Okay. Read your emails, all right? But make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.